Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be getting ready for our first day of virtual school. There's a lot to do, so if you like to watch, stay tuned. Alright you guys, so the first thing we're going to do is to start setting up the kids' classroom. I already had one desk that I used to make my crafts, and then the other was given to me by a good friend, Heather. Hey girl, thank you so much. It worked out. I just had to paint the knobs and just kind of like touch it up a little bit, but it worked out and I think it looks amazing. Also, I'm going to be adding this bulletin board for my kids, and all I'm using is a peel and stick wallpaper that I've had for a while that I didn't use, and this really large craft paper roll. I want to say we bought this paper to protect our floors when we were painting when we first got the house. But there's different ways that you can create a bulletin board very easily with gift wrapping paper. If you go to the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, they have really good paper that will definitely work, and they have their teacher section, which you can buy borders, but I just decided to make my own. And you can put all of their papers, important paperwork on the board, schedules, calendars. So I'll be adding things as time goes on. My boys were super excited when I made this, and they actually said that it did feel like a classroom, and that's exactly what I was going for. I'm also going to be adding their grade sign, so one for 3rd grade and the other one for 4th grade, and this was cut with the Cricut, the die cutting machine, but there's a lot of stickers that they sell at Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. Now I'm going to be adding construction paper that kind of matches the border of the sign, along with hot gluing a laundry pin. That way he can switch out the papers as the time goes. But right now we're going to be adding his schedule, along with this paper clock so that he continues to practice his time, and some school decorations that I made with the die cutting machine. Now we're going to be making peanut butter energy balls, and this is a great thing to have in keeping your refrigerator to get the kids through their study. And all you need for this is oatmeal, peanut butter, chocolate chips, and honey. You guys, I wanted to make something nice for the night before school, so I made cookies. It didn't turn out right. I mean, they're super flat, but the thought is what matters, right? Alright, so now we're gonna just roll these little balls, and then we're going to put them in the refrigerator for a little bit so that they set, and then we're gonna pack them up. Now we're going to be making waffles, and for this I'm just going to use what I have, and I have Aunt Jemima pancake mix, so I'm going to triple this recipe so that I can freeze a good amount of waffles, and then some of them just to keep in the refrigerator for the week. Alright you guys, so the quote for this month is, "This is a new year, a new beginning, and things will change." If you like it, comment down below, give me a like, let me know what you think. So now I am going to be making my Mickey Mouse waffles just because it is a special occasion. It's the first day back to school. Even though they're at home, gotta make it a little special for my babies. I'm also going to be making a big batch of scrambled eggs and just a packet of sausage. And the reason why I wanted to make breakfast ahead of time is because when you start school on the fall, you're also starting a new schedule, a whole new routine, and every day is a new learning experience. Every year is a whole new learning experience when you start school, because whatever didn't work the year before, you could change it up for the upcoming year. So as a mom is just trying to do what works for you and changing things up so that things can be better and you have less stress, because let's face it, us moms do a lot. Especially with your online learning, you don't know what your morning is going to look like. You might run into internet problems. You have to help your kids sign in, and then you forget to have breakfast. The kids forget to have breakfast. We're all stressed out and hungry. So I think just making breakfast ahead of time, at least for the first couple of days, will make your morning so much better. Now it's time for cleanup. So for this, I like to use my Shackley degreaser. So this is an organic cleaner with no chemicals, and just the magic eraser sheets that work really good for all surfaces. Now I'm just going to separate these waffles and put them in the freezer so that they freeze individually. And I almost forgot that I have to take one of the pans out because I have to keep it in the refrigerator. Then I can just pop it in the air fryer in the morning so they could get a little bit crispy, because once they're refrigerated, they do get a little soggy. I'm also going to be cleaning the stove with the same degreaser. And like I said earlier, this is safe to use even when food is around because there's no toxic fumes. Everything is organic and chemical free. I also like to get my kids' clothes ready the night before. So my daughter does have school twice a week at a club which has a little bit of gymnastics involved, along with the preschool learning activities and worksheets. And she does have to take her lunch, so I like to set everything out: her clothes, her shoes, her mask, and also her lunch bag with her lunch containers, her water bottle. And you guys, this is the best lunchbox ever. It's perfect for toddlers because they can open it really easily, and it's leak proof. Almost forgot to make my kids' first day of school sign. I was going to print it because that would be the easy way, but I ran out of ink. But I did remember that I have this letterboard, which I'll link down below because it's really cute but very time consuming. So this letterboard is from Amazon. I highly recommend it. It comes in a really cute box, and it has so many things, like really cute different types of writing, different types of letters, shapes, and decorations that you can add to your board. So I will put a link down below for you guys. I really like this purchase. It's one of my favorite purchases from Amazon because you could use it for any holiday, birthday, just any event that you can think of. The only problem was that my organizing case, it's like a hard plastic, came a little cracked, but it's okay. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I think this whole little setup for the classroom looks so good. My kids loved it. They're so happy. It puts a smile on their face, and it makes them feel like they have their own space where they can learn instead of just staying in their room for half the day. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Till next time.